Hey everyone, I'm about to give you a tip, what I think is really important in trading, for sure in the beginning, but I even think down the road as well, and you're not going to want to hear it, so brace yourselves. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm DD Trader, and as you saw in my intro, we're here to learn it, live it, and win it. Those are three important things. We're going to learn how to trade. We have to live the things that we learn on the market, because the things that apply in the market apply in our lives, and the things that apply in our lives apply in the market too. So we're learning it, we're living it, and that's how we're going to win it. So in today's video, I'm going to give you a little bit of maybe bad news, or news that you didn't expect. But I definitely think that all traders should have another source of income. Now, especially when you're starting out trading and you haven't even learned once over a long period of time to be consistent and get your mindset in check and get your emotions in check, I think it's absolutely critical to have another source of income. Because if you are banking on trading to be your primary source of income or your only source of income, it's just way too much pressure. And if you haven't seen that you could be successful in trading yet, and you're still unsure, and every time that you're getting into a trade, you don't know if you could do it, and everything is riding, your rent, your food, if you've got kids, whatever, it's all riding on that. Really bad recipe for trading. And once you have that losing streak or monthly drawdown, you're going to be under way too much pressure to not feel biased and get into the market when you shouldn't. So for sure, for new traders, it's absolutely critical. But here's the thing. I've been trading successfully for more than 2 years now. You guys have seen my trades and make quite a good amount of money trading the market. And I'm a CFO of, assisted living facilities. And I think that really helps me be a good trader. There's a reason when you tell somebody that you're a day trader or something, most people don't day trade for a living. It's not even something that they would think of. It's like, oh, you make money and then you invest it in the market. Like, that's the normal way. Now it happens to be that people are actually full-time traders. And I'm not saying you can't be successful as a full-time trader. I think you can. But I think it gives you that breathing room. And like, we're learning, living, and winning it. We want to live this. We want to be able to live calmly. And if we're going to have a bad day in the market and that's how we live, and we put the pressure on us and we're feeling so much pressure, we're not going to trade well. So it's good to have it as like the back burner, secondary income, or maybe it could even be your primary income. Just have something else so that you are not just totally dependent on that income. I really think it's key. Even down the line, like, what's the big deal? Do something that you love. It doesn't make you as much money as you want, so good, supplement it with trading. But do something that you maybe love. Do something that is going to put the bread on the table and pay your rent, and then trade for the secondary, for the supplemental income, or maybe even for the primary income. But have that other thing, because the mental state of trading is so key. As you know from my channel, it's more than anything else. It's more than all those strategies combined. If you could master your trader's mindset, you could be the good trader. Guys, this is what I teach in my course as well. Check it out. It's helpwithtrading.com. And it's free now for all my subscribers, so I hope you check it out. And if this video gives you value, then give it a like and subscribe to the channel so we could see you guys at the next video. Okay, thanks guys. DD out.